These are solutions to Math 120, 820, exam number 3. And number 1, so when you have an exponent and then another exponent, you just multiply. So that's x to the negative 8, x to the 15th, and x to the 18th. Add these, x to the 7th over x to the 18th. Subtract x to the 7 minus 18 is x to the negative 11, or 1 over x to the 11th. Number 2, we have to move the decimal over 3 spaces to get a number between 1 and 10. You look at the original. So I have to go 1, 2, 3 spaces, and it's a negative exponent because it's a small number. So 1.013 times 10 to the negative third. Number 3, multiply it all out. So you're going to go x times that, and negative 4 times that, and that. So x cubed plus 4x squared plus 16x minus 4x squared minus 16x minus 64. Cancel, 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 cancel. Final answer is x cubed minus 64. Number 4, all you have to do is square this, x to the 4th minus the 16, and you're done. X to the 4th minus 16. Number 5 is polynomial long division. So the numerator goes inside 9x squared minus 6x minus 8. Outside is 3x minus 1. And then what do you multiply this by to get that? 3x. So put the 3x. Now take 3x times this whole thing. That's 9x squared minus 3x. Subtract. That cancels out. Negative 6 minus a minus 3. That's negative 6 plus 3. Negative 3x. Bring down to negative 8. Do it again. What do you multiply 3x by to get negative 3x? Negative 1. Negative 1 times this whole thing is negative 3x plus 1. Subtract. And I get my remainder of negative 9. So final answer is 3x minus 1 minus 9 over 3x minus 1. Number 6, this is the difference of 2 squares. So that's x plus 6, x minus 6. Number 7, treat this as x cubed plus 4y in parentheses cubed. So by formula, that's x plus 4y. Then x squared minus 4xy plus 16y squared. Number 8 is prime. It's the sum of squares. You cannot factor x squared plus 9. So that's prime. Number 9, factor by grouping. The first pair, you can factor out an x. The second pair, you can factor out a 2b, like so. So x times x plus 3a plus 2b times x plus 3a. Then factor out the x plus 3a, and you have left over x plus 2b. Number 10, subtract 30 on both sides. So you want a 0 on this side, so subtract 30. X squared minus x minus 30 is 0. Factor x minus 6, x plus 5 equals 0, which means either this is 0 or this is 0. So that gives me x is 6 or negative 5. Right, so these are the solutions to exam 3 for Math 120, 820.